Alright guys, this is board Kia. This is a Kia Picanto 2015 model. So the concern this one is oil sludge. Like 3 years it's not been oil change. So I'm gonna check the engine, check the oil level. See, it's very bad oil now. And then I'm gonna check also this pillar cup. Yeah, all sludge. So now I recommend to remove this rocker cover. So I'm gonna check how bad the oil sludge first. So first is we need to remove this one, and disconnect the battery and this there. Yeah. So remove this spark plug wire set. Then disconnect this one, hoses. And this one, disconnect this one. And disconnect this battery, negative terminal. Okay. So next, this one here, sensor, camshaft sensor, and remove the whole cover. Okay. See, this is what happen if engine is not changed oil regularly. It's the oil sludge. See there? Yeah. Yeah. Alright guys, I'm gonna put it back all together now because I recommend the whole engine, this one assembly, because the sludge is too bad. So I will let the customers decide what you want, but this engine is bad. If we can clean, we cannot guarantee if it's maybe you have a problem after. So it's better way to change a new engine assembly. Because I recommend the new engine assembly because the sludge is so bad, and it's hard to, I cannot guarantee if I clean it, because I have experience before that after I clean like this type of sludge, and then after I finish the car, runs okay, no problems, but after a month, customer complain that they have a white smoke, engine noise. So and then a lot of time we waste in there to diagnose the car, and then we find out that they have internal problems.